So today we have a vintage multi-tool set. Where I bought it from, they claimed it was from the 1930s. It is German. It is in a, and I don't know if it's fake ostrich or snake skin. I don't know what it is, but it has a really distinct pattern to it. And it is seen better days. The snap's missing on one side, but there's one left. And so you open it up like this. There it is. Let me fold this under so it stays out of the way. It's got a maker's mark. I don't know if we can see that on there. I'll have to take a photo. But it says, let me get the handy magnifying glass. All right, it says, EBRUDER. It's got like a globe. And then Germany. So how it works, this handle is a pretty neat handle. It slides open like this, and it has two spots where you can mount the whichever item you're going to use. So these fall in there like that, and you close it back up, and now we have a tiny hammer. And it's in there pretty good. But say you want to use like this one. This one's kind of a drill of sorts. So with that one, we'll slide it open. And then we can put it in this section of it. We can try there. And then close that. And now we could drill into something. It's spiral at the tip there, so you could probably get into something pretty good. So let's look at a few of these tips. So this one is sharp on the end, so maybe a leather hole punch. This one would be a can opener. Looks like we have a file. A saw. Very sharp saw. Kind of an interesting pattern too. A screwdriver. Alright, and a knife blade that has a little bit missing out of it at the end. And then it looks like a chisel. So all your basics. So it just caught my eye that the shape of the hammer actually is why I wanted it. So the case it's pretty neat. So that is pretty much what there is to this. Leathermen are a lot easier to use. I noticed as I put some of these in, they're particular about how they want to go into this handle. They're not exactly machined the same, but they're all chromed, but it's kind of a, I don't know, it kind of wants to come off, it looks like, on the edges. So I don't see any dates or anything, so I don't know where they came up with the 1930s. Oh, it's got the maker's mark on the handle too. I don't know if you can see that. So overall, a very interesting set.